Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad 5, and in this video I will show you how to use screen magnifier on your laptop. So to do this, you simply have to use a combination of keys, Windows and plus button. Just press them both together and you'll open up the zoom menu. In this zoom menu, you'll be able to change the level of the zoom by clicking either plus or minus. You can reset the level by clicking these two icons right here. You can read from the screen by clicking this button, and you can select the place from which you want to start reading by clicking this one icon and selecting an object on the screen. And in these settings you can change the speed of your zoom, and you can also change the name or the voice of your reader. And in the settings to which you can either go from here, or you can also open them by going into start menu, opening settings, and then go into accessibility and magnifier settings. You can also enable magnifier manually right here if you forget the shortcut, for example. You can change the level of the zoom too, and the increments of the zoom. And this most important part is changing the view. As you could have seen, we've been using the full screen zoom all this time, so it just zooms in on the entire screen. We can also select dark magnifier, which looks like this, and we can select the lens magnifier, which looks more or less like this. Each magnifier has its own settings, which we can access right here. For example, as you can see, dark magnifier have settings to follow the mouse pointer, keyboard focus, text cursor or narrator cursor. And the full screen magnifier has options to of following, but you can also select where you want to keep the mouse pointer and the text cursor. It could be either centered on the screen or just be within the edges of the screen, like this. Okay, and the last one, the lens magnifier, only has options of resizing, reshaping the sides of it, so you can basically adjust it to any of your needs, like this. And that's basically all you can do. And at this point, I think that's all I wanted to mention in this video, so thank you for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.